Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gift cards on Fresha. So first, you may want to head over to Fresha and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on the settings button. Next is click on sales, then click on gift cards. To get started, you're going to need to first enable gift cards to your shop. And to do that, just proceed by clicking on the setup button and start by toggling gift cards on. You can edit values and gift card amounts from this section, and you can also set expiration date if the gift card will expire within 1 year, 6 months, or more. Then once done, just head over and click on save. Gift cards are effective in boosting sales. Customers can just easily purchase them for friends or family and bringing in new clients. Your clients may also use this to avail your services. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!